Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a Sunday reset day in my life. Let me put you guys down here just a second. Oh, yes. So, again, welcome to a Sunday reset day in my life, you guys. It's just 9:30 in the morning. It's very cold outside. I still have my morning voice, but now I'm just gonna quickly make some breakfast, and after that, I'm just gonna tell you how my usual Sunday reset day looks like. So stay tuned. So I am making some dahi toast. I found this recipe ages ago, and this has been my absolute favorite and go-to breakfast recipe. I'll link it in the description box below as well for you guys. So you just take some thick yogurt. I take the Greek yogurt, and then you add like salt and black pepper. So let's do that. So I'm just adding salt to taste and just a pinch of grounded black pepper just for that taste, and then mix it all up. Next we need a teeny tiny amount of oil and some sarso. Let's stay away. To this I'm gonna add some curry leaves, and we're just gonna quickly mix it. And I've switched off the gas as well because we just don't want any of it to burn, and we're gonna add this in this. And now I'm just gonna chop some onions. I'm gonna roughly chop, I'm gonna actually fine chop some onions and coriander. And voila, it's done. I like to use my handy electric chopper to do all the chopping, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna add now some coriander as well as some chopped onion into our mixture, and then we'll just also add our curry leaves and the mustard seeds. For this I've actually used just half an onion because that's all what I needed. So it depends upon your taste as well. You can also put some green chilies if you want. I am actually not a big fan of green chilies, so that's a no for me. So yes, I've mixed it. Next I'm just gonna add the mixture we made. Oh my god, it already looks so delicious, you guys. And then I'm just gonna quickly mix all of this together. That's how our dahi mixture looks like. So I hope this gives you a better view. This is how thick and good this looks like, and we just have to use it. And then I like to warm my bread slices. Sometimes I use slight butter as well, but today I just avoided it. And then just spread a thick layer of this mixture, and you guys, it just turns out so delicious. It's tangy, it's good, and the yogurt stays pretty thick. That's what we want. You have to give it a try. I'm also going to link the original video in the description box below. Also making some masala chai. So you guys, chai ban rahi hai, breakfast ban chuka hai, and I have sat down and I decided to watch some Netflix and enjoy my breakfast. Recently I have been enjoying this show called Superstore. I've actually been binge watching it, and I'm on season 2 already. Absolutely loving how hilarious it is. Comment below and let me know if you have watched Superstore or if you are planning to watch it. It is, you guys, such a delicious recipe. I love how basic and simple it is. Just uses minimal ingredients and the taste is so good. Loving it. Okay, you guys, now usually my Sundays are divided between doing all the cleaning and all tidying up, meal prepping, and just planning for the coming week. And also sometimes it goes like good chunk of hours in just editing videos. Yes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, I'm just editing this video now here. So after I was done with editing my A-roll part of the video, I thought of taking a break and I started with my daily chores. I like to clean and vacuum the living room. So I started tidying up a bit and I like to do it thoroughly, so I really take my time with it. And I also thought to start a round of laundry, which I did. So this is my usual Sunday stuff: cleaning, getting things done from my to-do list. And this is the day when I get my all usual cleaning done, and I try to do a lot of other tasks as well. So after I was done with cleaning, vacuuming, I decided to do the dishes. I started cleaning them, also loaded the dishwasher. Also on a Sunday, I am also looking for little things I have to do, like if the dish wash needs clean up, I do that, or I clean up the oven also. Every 15 days I try to do this, or like little things like my hand wash has finished here, so I am replacing it with a new one. So these little things also I do make sure that everything is all prim and proper, so that the whole week runs out smoothly. Also, I do take out the garbage regularly, but mostly the recyclables I try to take out every Sunday as well. Hey you guys, I'm just done with filming my b-roll, and this is my softbox lights here. I just had to do some b-rolls of the flip through of the journal and everything. And you guys, I'm so tired. I've been editing for a few hours now, and then it was these b-roll clips I had to film, which I have done. And what's the time actually? I think it's 3 p.m. already, you guys. It's 3 p.m. and I'm so hungry right now. I have a meeting at 4:30. It's a Zoom meeting I have. So I have to get ready for that as well. I have actually created the presentation for the meeting. Yes, I'm just gonna quickly go make myself some dinner. I think I have some leftover tomato soup I made yesterday, so I'm gonna have that and then take some break and get back for my meeting. Hey you guys, there was some miscommunication about the timing, so I thought I still had 1 hour when I saw you guys last, but the meeting was in the next 15 minutes, so I just got ready very quickly. I'm done with the meeting and now I'm gonna have my lunch because I had no time. Just had some green tea back then, and now finally lunchtime, but it's already 5 p.m. So yes, we'll have my lunch now, and half the Sunday is just gone by editing videos and attending and taking up these meetings. And after that, I think I'm just going to be so tired once I have my lunch. But I'll watch some Netflix once again, like an episode or something of Superstore, and I'll just do a bit of meal prepping for the coming week and a bit of tidying up. So you'll see me doing both those things now. So after I was done with my lunch, late lunch in fact, I decided to sit down and use my magnetic meal prepping board to plan the meals for the coming week. Now this board has made my life so much easier, you guys. Every Sunday I sit down, I create this board and I write all the meals for the coming week, and then I put it up on the fridge and voila, I have everything in front of my eyes. I absolutely love it, and it has actually made my life so much easier, and it makes sure that I eat wholesome food every day. So I'm actually done with a lot of things. I have put a round of laundry, I have put all the recyclable garbage out, and then I'm just so hungry right now. I think I'm just gonna make some snack for myself. But yes, it's been so productive so far. I did quite a bit of cleaning. I had to vacuumed both my lounge room, the kitchen, and also the conservatory. I'm thinking to change few things in the kitchen, just change the setting. That's again one thing I like to do on a Sunday while I reset. I just change few things here and there if I want to, because I just have more time to do these things. And also another announcement I have to make is that I am doing a decluttering challenge on my Instagram. So whenever this video gets uploaded, guys, come and join me. It's absolutely free, and it's going to be super fun. And no matter which day you start this challenge, what matters is you are doing it. So just show up and it will be amazing. I have decided to make something very light for dinner. So instead of making suji upma, I'm gonna make a besan and jowar upma. This recipe is by Radhi's mom, and you can see it in her latest video on her YouTube channel. But don't worry, I'm just going to link it in the description box below in case anyone is interested. It's a super delicious and simple recipe, you guys, and so healthy, so easy to make. I've made it a few times already and I absolutely love it. I have also done a bit of tweaks in the recipe. I add whatever is available at home. So I've added capsicum, carrots, onion, and I just use my electric chopper. I don't mind if the veggies are finely chopped. So I'm basically adding all the veggies in this. And sorry for the bad lighting, but we gotta do what we gotta do with what we have right now. And oh my god, how colorful and beautiful it looks. I'm also gonna add some garden peas in it. I have some frozen peas, so I'm just gonna add that as well. And just in a second, I'm gonna show how beautiful and colorful it already looks. And this is how colorful it looks, you guys. And I'm just gonna put some lid, let it simmer for 5 minutes. I've also, added salt to taste and just 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper just for the taste. Let's just check on our veggies. Oh dear, they look so lovely. So as you can see, they are beautifully cooked. Now I'm just gonna add half a cup of sorghum and half a cup of corn flour, and just gonna mix it all. Roast the flour a bit, add some boiling water, and this is all done. I would definitely link Radhi's video in the description box below. Do check it out if you would want. Make this recipe. It's super healthy, super yummy, and I cannot just believe how easy it is to make this. As you guys can see, the flour is evenly roasted and it looks so beautiful, a shade of a bit brown. And now in this we're gonna add 2 cups of boiling hot water, and I'm not sure if I can film that with both my hands engaged, because as soon as you just put some boiling hot water, you have to be really quick so that no lumps are formed. So let me keep you guys here. So literally you guys are just sitting there, and I'm just gonna add some boiling hot water, 2 cups, and it has started to sizzle a bit. I'm just gonna mix it all. As you can see, it already looks like upma now, same consistency. I'm just gonna again put the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes with the lid on. And it's all done. My healthy dinner is ready. I'm just gonna top it with some freshly cut coriander and some cashew nuts. I also like to add like 1 or 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon or half a lemon, because it tastes so delish. And I'm just gonna go and have my dinner now. Here goes the first bite. So good, you guys. So good. On with my dinner, then I just will go and have a warm shower or a bath, let's see, and we'll do my night skincare and we'll call it a day. So I think I'll just end my vlog right here, because it's almost you've seen my whole day. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. And I love you all. Bye.